It is a process by which you need to find out first kung ano yung iyong business calling. If you look at the Start Your Own Business Pinoy Roadmap, yung nasa ilalim niyan, yung foundation ng ating business is always yung business calling. So pag alam natin kung ano yung business calling natin, the rest is very easy. And you need to find out kung ano yung dapat nating gawin, anong dapat nating i-focus bago tayo mag-start. So if you look at this, business calling will be based on kung ano yung history mo sa buhay, kung ano yung mga nasa DNA mo, kung ano yung mga background ng iyong mga magulang, ano yung kinalakhan mo, ano yung mga surroundings mo, ano yung mga experiences, lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na yon, it all adds up to your business calling. At ang business mo will have a bigger chance to succeed if it is based on your business calling. Kaya one of the mistakes that we always talk about is yung mga gaya-gaya, yung mga bali-balita na sabi nila, ito daw ang dapat na negosyo, ito daw yung patok na negosyo. No, pag sinundan natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng problema because if it is not your calling, it is not something that you will find very easy. It will be a huge struggle. Kung mahirap talaga ang business pero mas mahirap kung mag-uumpisa tayo ng business na hindi according to our calling.